Garages used to be simple spaces, a spot to park the car or stack old boxes. But that's changing fast. Today, garages are becoming small factories, creative studios, and personal workshops. In one corner, someone's brewing craft beer. In another, a beekeeping setup is buzzing with life. A 3D printer hums nearby, building real products from scratch. These aren't just hobbies anymore. They're turning into real income streams powered by modern machines. Thanks to new technology, anyone can become a maker, a craftsman, or even start a small brand without big investments or advanced training. From printing sneakers to brewing beer, shaping metal, or designing woodwork, the tools to start are already here. Your garage doesn't have to be storage space. It can be the beginning of your first business. If you want the full list of machines with direct links to buy, drop a comment saying, "I'm ready," and you'll get the complete breakdown. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. We do not guarantee income or results. Success depends on individual effort, skills, and market conditions. Number 25. Magic Mill Pro Food Dehydrator. This machine is built for anyone who loves healthy snacks or wants to start a small food business. It comes with 10 stainless steel trays, adjustable temperature control, and a digital timer for precise drying. You can dehydrate fruits, vegetables, meat, or herbs, creating high-quality snacks that sell fast. The machine costs around $320, and each batch can bring in $20 to $40 in sales. It's energy efficient, easy to operate, and perfect for long hours of use. Whether you want to sell organic snacks or gourmet dried fruit packs, this machine turns your passion into steady profit. Number 24. Neoden Kit Circuit Board Production Kit. This machine brings professional electronic manufacturing into your garage. It includes a precision printer, an automatic surface mount system, and a convection oven for smooth soldering. With a compact size, it fits easily on a workbench, yet handles up to 5,000 components per hour. Perfect for tech enthusiasts or startups, it lets you build small batches of IoT devices, robotics, or smart home systems. The full setup costs about $6,000, but once you start taking custom PCB orders, it can pay for itself quickly. It's the ideal tool for turning engineering ideas into real products and profit. If you are enjoying our ideas, make sure to hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. We're aiming to reach 5,000 subscribers, and your support means everything to us. Let's back to the video. Number 23. Bee-Box Urban Beekeeping Hive. This machine brings the world of honey production right to your backyard or garage. Designed for city use, it's compact, safe, and beginner-friendly. This setup can produce up to 30 kilograms of honey per year, giving you both a relaxing hobby and a small income source. The system costs about $677, and each harvest can bring in hundreds of dollars depending on honey prices. You can sell your honey locally or online as a natural, eco-friendly product. With its modular design and simple maintenance, the V-Box Hive lets anyone start a sustainable, rewarding business from home. Number 22. Leather Splitter Machine. This machine is a must-have for anyone crafting belts, wallets, or handbags. It thins and smooths leather sheets with precision, saving hours of manual work. The adjustable blade gives perfect thickness for every design, making your products look clean and professional. This machine costs around $390, and crafters often earn $800 to $1,000 per month selling handmade leather goods. It doesn't need electricity, so it's quiet and easy to use even for beginners. For anyone wanting to create luxury-grade leather items, this compact tool turns craftsmanship into a profitable home-based business. Want to see how simple machines can create hundreds or even thousands in profit each month? Keep watching. Number 21. Cricut Mug Press. This machine transforms plain mugs into personalized products that sell fast. With one-touch operation and automatic temperature control, it delivers clean, professional results every time. You can press logos, quotes, or designs directly onto mugs using sublimation paper or infusible ink. The machine costs about $199, and each custom mug can sell for $15 to $30, giving you great profit margins. It's small, safe, and perfect for beginners starting an Etsy or print-on-demand shop. Simple, fast, and reliable, the Cricut Mug Press helps you turn creativity into income, one mug at a time. Number 20. Sausage Tying Machine. This machine is a great upgrade for anyone making homemade sausages or running a small food business. It automates the process of tying sausages, giving you consistent shapes and professional results every time. Built from food-grade stainless steel, it's durable, easy to clean, and fast. The machine costs around $245, and it can handle hundreds of sausages per hour, saving time and labor. Pair it with a sausage stuffer, and you can supply local markets or restaurants, earning $500 to $2,500 per week. Compact and efficient, this tool helps turn a simple recipe into a profitable business. Number 19. Tufting Gun, Custom Rug Making Machine. This machine turns your garage into a custom rug studio. It uses adjustable pile height and smooth stitching control to create vibrant designs, names, and logos on fabric. The machine produces up to 40 stitches per second, making it fast and fun to use. It costs around $158, and handmade rugs can sell for hundreds of dollars each on Etsy or local markets. All you need is some yarn and creativity to start earning. Compact and beginner-friendly, the Tufting Gun helps you transform art into income while adding a personal touch to every rug you make. Number 18. Bamboo Lab H2 3D Printer. This machine brings professional 3D printing to your desk or garage. It features AI-assisted calibration, auto bed leveling, and a dual extruder system that prints multiple materials with precision. This printer costs around $1,200, and creators often earn $2,000 or more per month by selling custom designs, prototypes, or home decor pieces. It connects to Wi-Fi and includes a built-in camera for remote monitoring. Compact, quiet, and reliable, it's perfect for small creators, designers, or tech entrepreneurs. The Bamboo Lab H2 turns your creative ideas into real products and steady income with professional-grade quality. These tools are compact, beginner-friendly, and can turn hobbies into real money right from home. Number 17. Soap Making Kit. This machine is an easy and affordable way to start a craft-based business from home. It includes silicone molds, natural oils, fragrances, and colorants to create beautiful handmade soaps. Each kit costs about $120 and can produce up to 30 designer soaps, which sell for $5 to $10 each. It's safe, fun, and simple to use even for beginners. Many creators sell their soaps on Etsy, local markets, or skincare boutiques, building their own brand. With minimal investment and high creative potential, this kit turns a relaxing hobby into a profitable and sustainable business. Number 16. InPick Injection Molding Machine. This machine lets you create custom plastic parts and prototypes without needing a factory setup. It has a 30-ton clamping force and precise controls for professional quality results. Perfect for small manufacturers or inventors, this machine makes keychains, containers, or small product molds easily. It costs around $2,800, and users often earn $1,000 to $2,000 in monthly profit by producing and selling small plastic items. Compact and energy efficient, it's ideal for garage setups or small workshops. The InPick Injection Molding Machine gives you full control over production, quality, and creativity from your own workspace. Number 15. Advanced Pottery Wheel. This machine makes it easy to turn simple clay into beautiful art. Built for both beginners and professionals, it features reversible rotation and an LCD touchscreen for smooth speed control. You can use the manual mode or foot pedal depending on your comfort. The set includes 16 shaping tools for creating cups, bowls, and decorative pieces. This wheel costs around $162, but handmade pottery can sell for great profits online or at markets. Compact, quiet, and reliable, it's the perfect way to turn your creativity into a steady income while crafting unique ceramic designs from home. Number 14. Beaver Hat Heat Press. This machine helps you customize hats and caps with precision and speed. It heats up to 299 degrees Celsius and features a non-stick Teflon plate for smooth transfers without damage. With its digital display, you can easily control temperature and time for perfect results every time. The machine costs about $170, and small apparel sellers often earn $800 to $1,500 per month, creating personalized hats for sports teams, events, and brands. Lightweight and easy to use, the Beaver Hat Heat Press is ideal for anyone starting a small clothing or accessory business from home. Number 13. Once Joined Tapioca Ball Machine. This machine is perfect for anyone who loves bubble tea or wants to start selling it. It automates the process of forming and cutting tapioca pearls, producing up to 16 kilograms of pearls per hour. Made from stainless steel, it ensures every batch is soft, chewy, and consistent in size. The machine costs about $620, and bubble tea makers can earn hundreds of dollars daily once production scales. Compact, durable, and easy to clean, this machine brings cafe-quality pearls to your home or garage, helping you turn sweet drinks into a steady source of profit. Number 12. Rock Tumbler Stone Polisher. This machine turns rough stones into smooth, polished gems ready for jewelry or craft projects. It uses rotating barrels and polishing grits to bring out natural shine and color. The machine costs around $180, and polished stones can be sold for $300 or more when made into jewelry or art pieces. It runs quietly, fits easily on a workbench, and is perfect for small home setups. Many creators start by polishing local stones and then expand into selling custom jewelry or crystal sets online. It's a relaxing process that brings both beauty and profit. Number 11, manual button press. This machine is one of the simplest and most affordable machines for starting a small creative business. It requires no electricity and can produce custom badges, pins, and keychains in just minutes. The setup costs around $110, and you can make 100 buttons in under an hour, often earning over $300 in profit per batch. It's lightweight, portable, and perfect for beginners selling at events, fairs, or online stores. With ready-to-use templates and fast operation, this machine turns fun designs into quick cash, proving that small tools can create big business opportunities from home. You don't need a factory or big investment, just the right machine and a bit of creativity. Number 10, Balloonsy Balloon Machine, Surprise Balloon Maker. This machine is a creative tool made for event decorators and gift businesses. It automatically inflates, fills, and seals balloons with surprises like confetti, cash, or small gifts inside. With adjustable pressure and fast sealing, it makes every balloon look perfect. The machine costs around $350, and decorators often earn $5 to $15 per balloon, making it a quick return investment. It's ideal for birthday parties, weddings, or store promotions, adding a fun twist that clients love. Compact and easy to use, the Balloonsy Balloon Machine helps you create memorable decorations and profitable experiences from your own workspace. Number 9, Bowl & Mass Fireball Machine, Jewelry or Gold Bead Maker. This machine is designed for jewelers and metal artists who want precision and quality. It melts gold, silver, or copper, forming perfectly rounded beads using a controlled flame system. Each bead is smooth and professional grade, ready for use in necklaces, bracelets, or art pieces. The machine costs around $680, and it can produce hundreds of beads per hour, allowing creators to earn steady monthly profits. Compact yet powerful, it gives small jewelers full control over production without outsourcing. This machine transforms molten metal into beautiful, high-value designs that sell quickly in both local and online markets. Number 8, Popcorn Machine. This machine is one of the easiest ways to start a small snack business. Built with stainless steel parts and tempered glass, it's durable, safe, and simple to operate. It pops up to 5 gallons of popcorn per batch, perfect for events, movie nights, or small food stalls. The machine costs around $250, but with just $10 of ingredients, you can make over $100 worth of popcorn. Add flavors like caramel or cheese to increase sales and attract customers. Compact and fun to use, this popcorn maker turns every batch into instant profit while filling the air with that classic movie aroma. Number 7, Once Join Cup Sealing Machine. This machine is a must-have for anyone selling bubble tea or beverages. It seals up to 600 cups per hour without spills or leaks, using precise heat and pressure. The machine works with both plastic and paper cups, and it even tracks your daily seal count. It costs around $442, but can pay for itself in just a few days thanks to the high profit margins in bubble tea. Fast, durable, and compact, it's perfect for cafes, stalls, or events. Paired with a tapioca ball maker, it creates a full beverage setup right in your garage. Number 6, Sausage Stuffer Machine. This machine is ideal for home cooks, food lovers, or small meat businesses. Made from stainless steel, it includes a 5-liter cylinder and adjustable speed control for consistent results every time. It costs about $180, and each batch can generate $400 to $600 in retail value depending on your recipe. It's easy to clean and compatible with various nozzle sizes for different sausage types. From spicy beef to gourmet chicken, this machine lets you create unique flavors that stand out at local markets. Reliable and efficient, it helps turn homemade recipes into a profitable small business. Number 5, X-Tool F1 Ultra Engraver Laser Cutter. This machine is a powerful machine for customizing metal, wood, leather, and glass. It features a 20-watt fiber laser and a diode laser for precise cutting and engraving. With a large 22 by 22 centimeter working area and an optional conveyor belt, it handles small batch production with professional results. The machine costs around $3,600, and users often earn over $2,000 per month selling custom-engraved items online or locally. Compact, quiet, and easy to use, it transforms a garage into a personalized product workshop with high earning potential. Number 4. Nelro Propane Melting Furnace, Metal Foundry. This machine brings real metalworking capabilities into your garage. With a high-efficiency propane burner and insulated chamber, it melts metals like aluminum, brass, silver, or gold in minutes, reaching over 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The furnace costs about $320, and small creators often make metal logos, tools, or jewelry molds to sell for solid profits. It comes with a crucible, tongs, and safety gear ready to use. Compact and efficient, this furnace allows you to recycle scrap metal or craft custom pieces, turning metalworking skills into a profitable home business. Number 3. Cricut Easy Press 3, Heat Press for Clothes. This machine makes customizing clothes and accessories simple and professional. It heats up in under a minute, maintains even temperature, and connects to the Cricut Heat app for guided control. You can use it on t-shirts, hoodies, tote bags, and hats. The machine costs about $199, and custom items can sell for $25 to $60 each, covering your investment quickly. Compact, reliable, and beginner-friendly, it is ideal for starting a print-on-demand or Etsy apparel store, turning creative designs into real profit from home. Number 2. Weaver Die Cutting and Stamping Press. This machine is perfect for making jewelry, keychains, leather wallets, and custom packaging. Its strong hydraulic system ensures clean, sharp edges, while the versatile design allows cutting metal, plastic, or rubber. The press costs around $560, and small creators use it to produce high-margin handmade goods that sell well online. Quiet and compact, it fits on most workbenches, making it ideal for garage setups. With this machine, you can turn a hobby into a small-scale manufacturing business with professional results and consistent income. Number 1. Leather Splitter Machine. This machine is essential for anyone crafting belts, wallets, or handbags. It thins and evens out leather sheets with precision, saving hours of manual work. The adjustable blade ensures the perfect thickness for each project. This machine costs about $390, and handmade leather goods can generate $800 to $1,000 per month in profit. Simple to operate, compact, and reliable, it does not require electricity, making it ideal for home workshops or small businesses. It turns craftsmanship into a profitable creative business, helping makers produce luxury-grade leather products efficiently. Thanks for sticking with us. Any of these machines, from food dehydrators costing $320 to circuit board kits around $6,000, can turn your garage into a profitable workspace. The potential to earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars depends on your effort, skills, and creativity. Share this video with a friend who wants to start a home-based business. Leave a comment about which machine impressed you the most, and subscribe to stay updated on practical ways to make money from home. Your next success could start with just one small machine.